bridges and walls here in Arches National Park, Utah. Much of the cement used in making this building was derived from another sedimentary rock called limestone. Sedimentary rocks are made up of different types of particles or sediments, such as sand, tiny particles of silt, or small pebbles. Sedimentary rocks form when sediments are deposited by water, wind, or ice. The sediments are then compacted and cemented together. There are other ways sedimentary rocks form as well, such as when mineral-rich water evaporates and leaves formations such as these. Other sedimentary rocks, such as coal and limestone, are formed from the remains of once living things. The third group of rocks are referred to as metamorphic rocks. The changing of one type of rock into another type as a result of heat, pressure, or chemical reactions within the earth forms metamorphic rocks. For example, when shale, seen here, is exposed to heat and pressure, it can change into slate, which is used on roofs. And when sandstone is exposed to heat and pressure,